In today's video, I'll be comparing Kling 3.0 and Grok Imagine. I used the same prompts for both AI tools. This is the first prompt I used. And this is the result I got from Kling. One thing I like with this result is the audio. It sounds natural and it has high quality. And the things I don't really like, the hands morph, the shuffle was not natural. A card didn't transform into a butterfly. The butterfly just came out of nowhere. And here's the result I got from Grok. I'm not impressed with this result. Yes, the fan spread is there, but all the other things are not there. There's no shuffle, there's no street ambience, there's no snapping of a finger, and a card transforms into a finger. It didn't follow my prompt. This is the second prompt I used, and this is the result I got from Kling.
Now that is a perfect pizza.
Now that is a good result. Despite the fact that the dough multiplies as he's tossing it. The audio is great. The physics are great. The lip sync is great. The facial expressions are great. I just like this result. And this is the result I got from Grok.
That is a perfect pizza.
This is not a great result. The kitchen is not filled with steam. The audio sounds robotic. The lip sync is great, but couldn't hear what he was saying at the beginning of his sentence. I guess he's still learning English. Then the dough is not a ball. I specified that the dough must be a ball, but it gave me a flat dough. And the facial expressions are really great. For the next generation, I used this prompt, and this is the result I got from Kling. The blacksmith looks very plasticky, but I like the fact that he is sweating and he is grumpy. The sweat shows that he is working with something that is hot. It looks very realistic, despite the fact that he looks plasticky. And this is the result I got from Grok.
Shape it now before it cools. This is what we need.
Now this man looks like he's preparing for war. I like the fact that his skin texture looks realistic, but the smoke and sparks look fake. And he is not sweating, but he's working on heat. Doesn't make sense. Here is a prompt I used for the next generations, and this is the result I got from Kling.
Land ho! Just ahead! Thank the gods we made it!
I'm not impressed with this result. If you can check in this video, there are like 3 sailors, but 2 of them turn into statues. And instead of giving me a dialogue, it gave me a monologue. The environment looks good. The background music is good, but overall, I'm not impressed with this result. And here's the result I got from Grok.
Land ho! An island ahead! I see it! What adventures await?
I'm impressed with this result. It gave me a monologue, it gave me multi-shots, and the environment looks good. I'm impressed with this result. This brings us to the end of our video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Kling 3.0 videos. As this video was just focused on text to video, I'll be testing out more features on this Kling 3.0, so stay tuned.